My channel. So I've been running errands all day and I'm getting ready to go to happy hour with my friends. It is, I don't know what time it is because my phone is on the charger. But I've been running errands all day. I got my nails done today, you guys. I love them so much. But I'm getting ready to go to happy hour, so I want to get kind of cute. And I'm going to put on one of my favorite wigs from Hairvivi, and that is my baby Rain, you guys. So this is my third time getting this wig, you guys. Or not third time. The first time I got it is when I made it, or like I styled, I think it was Victoria. I could be mixing companies up. But I think it was Victoria. I think that was the name that I styled and cut and made into Rain. And so I end up giving that one away to one of you guys. And then my mom got my Rain one. And then this one is mine now. Nobody can have it. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. You guys know that Hairvivi units come with pretty much everything done. Of course, you can do extra, like you can pluck it a little more, which I am going to do. But they come with the hairline pre-plucked. It also comes with the fake scalp. I'm going to take that out. I don't really care for it, especially because I like doing the ball cap method now. But yeah, they gave me that, and they have lashes now, you guys. So they got these cute little lashes. Look how cute that is, and they're like some good lashes. So that's cute. And they, I think I'm gonna wear this to our Christmas party. They gave me this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna touch my makeup up in a bit and change my outfit because I did my makeup earlier because I knew that I was gonna be rushing. So I am gonna have to touch that up. But let's get started putting this wig on because I just washed my hair and so I get to use my leave-in, y'all. It don't have a label on it yet. My labels are supposed to come either tomorrow or Friday. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, I would have been so, oh, it's plastic though. Thank you, Huda. Oh my gosh, I would have been so sad if this cracked. But this is my leave-in, you guys. I get to finally use it in this box. I've been using it, but to use it in this container.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. Me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.